Take a look at Titan, which has come out with its Q2 earnings, and the revenue of the company has beaten ET Now's expectations and estimates. It has gone up by 13% at rupees 13,215 crores, whereas the PAT and EBITDA margins are below expectations. But amidst festive season, the company's jewellery business is up 25% YOY, and that's a snapshot of the Titan's Q2 earnings that you're getting overall. Over there, the company's jewellery business is up 25% year on year. And to get us more details on the earnings front, I'm now joined by Snehi Shah, who's joining us on the phone line for a more detailed performance of the company in the quarter gone by. Snehi, take us through the specifics of Titan's Q2 performance.
Absolutely. So it's a miss coming in for Titan, largely other than the revenue. Revenue is something that has beaten our estimates, but if you take a look at EBITDA, PAT and margins, they're largely missing what we were estimating here at ET. Now, let me take you through the fine print. Revenue has come in at 13,215 crores, which is up 13.3% year on year. So that's a beat on our estimations. EBITDA has come in at 1,033 crores, which is down 16.4%. What's important to know is there's also a big slip in the PAT figure coming in at 705 crores versus 950 crores, which is down 25%. But also this is on the back of an inventory loss due to the custom duty cut. And this inventory loss is an exceptional item that has come in at 352.5 crores this time. And margins have also shrunk. They've come in at 8.6% versus 11.6%. We were estimating this figure to be anywhere around 12%, and it's a big miss on the margin front as well. But if you take a look at the segments, then jewellery seems to have done well for itself on the top line at least, because revenue has come in at 10,763 crores, which is up 25.5% year on year. EBIT is also, EBIT on the other hand has shrunk slightly. EBITDA margin has also come in at 0.7%, which is also lower on a year on year basis. If you take a look at watches and wearables, although the top line has grown by 19%, you also have EBITDA margin that has very slightly grown compared to at 14.9% compared to 14.7%. So that is rather stable. Eye care business, the top line has grown by roughly 7%, but it's been a slip when it comes to EBIT as well as EBITDA margins. Emerging business, however, top line has grown by 14%. Right. And if you take a look at the overall basis also, margins are lower for overall on the Titan overall business as well. Largely, it's looking like a mixed set of numbers coming in, but a big miss coming in on EBITDA, PAT and margin. Revenue has been a beat.
Definitely, Snehi. Thank you very much for that detailed view on earnings of Titan. Of course, revenue is up 13.3%. However, it's a miss so far as EBITDA, PAT and of course margins are concerned. And that was my colleague Snehi Shah bringing you all the details. But if
you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.